slip. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over White Settlement, and another severe thunderstorm over Annette South. These storms are moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Benbrook, White Settlement, River Oaks, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Willow Park, Aledo, West Worth Village, Annetta, Westover Hills, Annetta South, and Annetta North. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.